Our students and faculty welcome you to the Temple University College of Engineering. I'm Dr. David Brookstein, Senior Associate Dean and a Professor of Mechanical Engineering. I'm also one of the professors who teach Introduction to Engineering and Engineering Technology. I'll give you a little taste of what you'll learn in that course when you join us. I'd like to spend a few minutes now providing you our engineering education focus. We will provide you the engineering education to produce great designs for products, processes, and services, and be able to communicate with high impact. We will provide you the ability to conceive, organize, advocate, and evaluate successful products, processes, and services in engineering. And we will teach you to apply design thinking to effectively identify and solve problems in engineering. What is design thinking? We will first teach you how to identify the need. We will then teach you how to clarify and formulate the problem. Finally, we will teach you how to solve the problem. We call this the design thinking pyramid. Now I will show you how we use design thinking to deal with a very important situation, preventing the community spread of COVID-19. Last April, the United States Center for Disease Control, the CDC, recommended that all people wear at least a cloth face covering as illustrated below, in public settings where other social distancing measures were difficult to maintain, such as grocery stores and pharmacies, especially in areas of significant community-based transmission. I knew that a cloth face covering made from a porous woven fabric, as shown on the right, would not prevent the penetration of virus-containing liquid droplets from spreading from the wearer. While there were protective masks that had been developed to mitigate the spread of COVID-19, such as those shown below, there was a national shortage of these items, and at that time, they were only available to medical workers. There were surgical masks, and there were N95 masks made by 3M. There was clearly a need to develop a more protective mask with readily available materials that would be more effective in preventing the spread of COVID-19 than the CDC recommended cloth mask. Now that I had identified the need, it was time to clarify and formulate the problem. As I clarified and formulated the problem, I recognized the following. The masks should be made from virus-killing materials that prevent liquid droplets from spreading when the wearer talks, sneezes, or coughs. The mask should be made from readily available materials. And the mask should be comfortable to wear and easy to breathe through. So I did a little research, and I found that 3M, the maker of the N95 masks, had several patents. Below are some figures from those patents, and the one that was most interesting was figure 3 that shows a virus-killing material. Then, as I continued to do my research, I hit the mother lode. It turns out that 3M had recently been issued a patent for an air filter with sorbent particles. This is an air filter that's used for furnace filters. Here is a drawing from that patent. Item number 14 are the virus-killing sorbent materials that patent covers. And here's the product, which you can buy at any Home Depot or Lowe's. It's called a Filtrete furnace filter. And I learned how to take it apart and harvest the fabric to be used in the mask. Now, after I identified the need, I clarified and formulated the problem, it was time to solve the problem, and I did. So I used design thinking to solve this problem. On the left, you see a drawing which I made, which shows the Filtrete virucidal non-woven melt-blown fabric sandwiched between two layers of comfortable jersey knit cotton fabric. Jersey knit cotton fabric is what t-shirts are made from, and those are readily available. The mask is secured to the wearer by elastic headbands. On the right, I have a drawing which shows the full construction of my mask, and below that drawing is a picture of the mask. And here's the result of solving the problem. This was done after several iterations. I will teach you how to use design thinking in your introduction to engineering and engineering technology when you join us here this coming fall at Temple University. The Temple University School of Medicine found out about my mask design, and they were so excited by it that they assembled a team of volunteers to make thousands of these masks to distribute in the community surrounding the medical school to prevent community spread of the COVID-19 virus. So now you've just seen a recent example of design thinking. Again, our students and faculty welcome you to the College of Engineering at Temple University.